Hi, my name is Vansh. I studied in class 10 in Shamrock and I have achieved 89.6%.
Hi, I am Hardik. I scored 97% in my 10th board.
Hello everyone, I am Navjot Singh Sopti and I have achieved 96.4% in class 10th CBSE examinations.
Hi everyone, my name is Rajaswi and I scored 93% in boards.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukshita and I scored 95.4% in my class 10 board examination.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukshi and I have scored 94.6% in my boards.
My name is Harnoor and I scored 87% in my 10th grade board examinations.
I am very happy and my parents are also very proud of me for this result. And I would like to give you an advice for the 10th board that these are not tough, but if you prepare it very nicely, so you can score good marks. Like I did not study whole year, but in the end I worked my heart off. So that's why I happened to score this score. So I would say if you can dream it, you can achieve it.
The only advice I want to give is to please don't just be limited to NCERT textbook if you don't understand. Because in my case, reading from Wikipedia was a lot easier because there might be terms in SST that you don't understand, but in Wikipedia you will get diagrams that can make your understanding go much higher.
The simple point to achieving these many marks is to not study the whole time, but exactly to study for a limited period, but in a quality way. So as my way was, I used to study more at night because I'm a night owl type of person. So I used to study till 1 or 2 o'clock. But wake up late in the morning, that's not a point. But to study in a quality way. I like silence when I study, so I study at night. So you have to make your own environment, not just make excuses. So the simple point to do is this. And I'm very happy that I have achieved these marks, even though I know I could have achieved even more. But still I am satisfied. And I know you can also do it. Just don't give up. Thank you.
So the only message I want to convey to my juniors is that don't stress too much about boards. It's all your hard work and it's not about studying 10 to 12 hours. It's just about studying 1 to 2 hours but with full focus. Also work on your curriculars because this time is not going to return, and all the best.
As being a sports vice captain, it was difficult for me to cope up with the studies, but the regular concentration and hard work paid off. For the viewers, I would like to say that NCERT books are not only enough to study and to top in the board examination. You guys need constant hard work and extra books too.
I'm really glad that I scored this much, and being a vice captain, it was quite tough for me managing all this all together. But somehow I managed it. So now for advising you, I want you guys to focus like from the real beginning. Don't pile up your work for the end because it will be very difficult to cope up. So it's not going to be so tough. Boards are really easy. Focus on the NCERT and start from the real beginning. It will be very easy. Thank you.
I actually feel amazing, but a part of me feels that I could have done way better than just scoring 87%. My fellow students are scoring above 90, and what pushes me that I scored better than my earlier scores. So that what matters. You should grow, and one should focus on it for his growth rather than watching everybody else. So that's what I am driven by. So thank you and have a good day.